Not every single work week looks like this for me, but this was a work trip and technically I am able to call it work, so I wanted to share this experience. If you're wondering how I'm able to call this work, welcome to my channel. My name's Éowyn. I am an editor, filmmaker and photographer from Wellington, New Zealand. For me, this trip revolved around getting as much content and photographs possible, and obviously I was filming some of my own stuff along the way. I arrived in Queenstown and had a quick stop at Fergburger, which in my opinion isn't overrated, before driving around to Te Anau. Our first stop was the beautiful Lake Marian, which I had visited around the same time last year. The weather conditions were stunning and I went for a swim, although it was freezing cold. Please don't be fooled by the number of times I jumped in. We spent a lot of the day there before coming back and grabbing some pizza for dinner. The next morning I had my favourite bowl of oats in the world before doing a little bit of journaling, which was really nice as usually I'm editing quite early in the morning, but instead I got to go outside. We started to head towards Milford Sound, but stopped near Mount Talbot and spent a few hours there before finally making our way to Milford for a pretty epic chopper flight. I'm not going to be able to put this experience into words, and I would rather just let the visuals speak for themselves rather than narrate the whole thing, so please enjoy this little snippet of the evening.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me. Say nighty night and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you'll miss me when I'm alone and blue as can be. Dream a little dream of me. Stars fading, but I linger on, dear, still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear, just saying this. Sweet dreams till sunbeams find you. Sweet dreams that leave our
The next morning I got some breakfast before heading to Manapouri forest, and then another chopper flight was on the list of things to do for the day. Towards the end of our time up in the mountains, we ran into a few kea. If you've never heard of them before, they're the world's only alpine parrot, and they're only found in the South Island of New Zealand. They actually have the intelligence of a 4-year-old and enjoy solving puzzles, so they're pretty cool creatures. They're also usually very interested in cameras, but also interested in stealing whatever food or bits of gear they can find lying around.
Well, you're the only one that's ever known the depths of me. I love you so damn much, but I play with all love carelessly. So can we take it on the road sometime? Fight for a second try with you. I know we can get it back. Just gotta find a problem path. With you.
On my final day, I got some breakfast at Sandfly Cafe before driving back to Queenstown.
Before the fire, the pressure in my chest.
I wandered around a bit, got an ice cream, and also did a little bit of journaling before heading back home to Wellington.
When you first appeared,
I felt so lucky to be able to call this work, and also for the wonderful weather, as this trip occurred around the same time that Cyclone Gabrielle was devastating the North Island. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I've got lots of exciting new videos and adventures coming up to share.
except in the places where the sun